Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my second video in my DIY vanity series that I did on a budget to turn my cluttered closet into a beauty / makeup space. Today's video is how I went and decorated the space, doing it on a budget, and to just share that with you. And then in my final video of this series will be my makeup storage and how I went about doing that. So basically, when we put I knew when we were doing this, when I came up with this idea, I wanted to have a little shelf above the mirror for just some decor. So I was trying to figure out what kind of shelf I wanted to do, and we had a floating shelf from we've had before, and it was in storage, so Derek had put that up. And in my previous video I talked about getting the vanity done and how we went about doing all of that. So that's in the first video. But Derek came up with the idea of saying, would I like to use this floating shelf? And I thought it would be a great idea. We already have it. It's in the dark espresso color. We got it from Home Depot, so perfect. So just awesome to put some decor on top, something simple, not too much. So I decided, I knew right away that I was going to re-put mostly my decor that I had on my coffee table pre-Christmas, and I've decided to update my my coffee table decor going into the new year. So that's a whole other video I'll be sharing as well on my channel. So I knew I wanted to incorporate that on the shelf. It's white because I have so much dark going on. I have a dark espresso desk. I have a darker neutral paint, like it's dark brown, and then I have like the dark espresso shelf. I really wanted some white accessories to really bring and pop all of that together, since the frame, the casing around the opening, is a glossy white. So I really wanted to tie in those two together, and I happen to have a white vase that I absolutely love that has amazing texture on it. It's really got a cool pattern, and I have some greenery I've thrown in there, as well as I have these beautiful white candle holders that are from Decor out the door that I absolutely love. And the vase is from Real Deals as well, in case you wanted to know that. But I love, and then I've placed greenery balls that I actually got at my local Dollarama like about 2 years ago that I've had. And so all of that I already had in storage. And I decided it would look beautiful up top. What I ended up doing, I originally was going to, I'm doing a DIY, and I was going to put that in between the two. But then I found a really adorable canvas picture from HomeSense that has deer antlers on them, and then a beautiful flower painted with some purple right, like a cream flower with purple right in the middle. And I thought it would look perfect in the space in between and just kind of really bring a feminine touch to it, because I'm all about bringing a calming, girly feel to this space, because it's my space. Derek won't be in here, he won't be accessing it, he won't be, unless he's gonna quietly do makeup that I don't know about, but he better get his own makeup because he's not using mine. No, he's not. Anyways, I wanted to kind of bring it together and make it really flow, like bring a feminine touch. So that's what I did with the decor up top. Then what I ended up doing is, with the shelf that I have in between the two drawers on the right side of the vanity, is a cute little shelf. I found this amazingly adorable plate, Kate Spade Dachshund plate from HomeSense. It was on sale for $7. I was walking around looking for something else, and it was just out of place. Like someone must have picked it up and decided they didn't want it, and I knew I had to have it. If you follow me, you know I have a mini Dachshund named Apollo, who everyone loves in social media. In the real world, he's not so nice, but that's a whole other video. but it's the cutest plate, and I knew right away I had to get it. It would go on the shelf or somehow, and I thought it would be really cute to put some earrings on there. So that's what I've put, something very simple that I purchased. So that was the second thing that I bought. The other thing I added was I already had this Bath & Body Works candle sleeve because I own quite a few of them, and upstairs in my room I have one that I store like the hand creams in there that I like to use, and I had a whole bunch of extra ones, so I knew right away I love doing that in my main bedroom. Why not put some lotions and do the same thing? So I took one of my 3-wick candle sleeves, one that I really like, and just threw the remaining hand creams and the variety and put that on the shelf and made it very simple. And that is basically how all the decor that I put in this space. And the other thing that I added is I wanted to update my photo that is beside the closet, and I found this gorgeous picture from HomeSense for $30. It's like a shadow box. I hauled this and showed you guys, and I love that it's like those, it's not a mannequin, I cannot remember the name of it, but it's where I can't think of the name. Please tell me in the comments. It's right there, but I can't remember it. But you do, designers use it to do, you know, their clothing and whatnot, but it has actual black, like it has black feathers, full feathers on it, and it's black and white, and I love it. And it was the size I was looking for. I was looking for a 20 by 24 because I had a collage of 4 metal pictures there that I had there for about 4 years, and it just wasn't tying into when I had this all finished. So I was on the mission for a specific size picture, and at the last minute I tried looking around at various places and couldn't find the size and photo. I was like canvas or painting or what, and that I really wanted to stay under $30 if possible. And it was like, finally, after all my frustration, I was about to give up, and it was behind. Saw it, and right away I knew the size. So I always bring my trusty tape measure. If I'm looking for something specific, I'll bring that with me to the store. Like, do you guys do that? Bring a tape measure with you to make sure? I do. And sure enough, it worked perfect, and it looks gorgeous right beside my vanity. So that's basically how I went about decorating. I wanted to keep it really simple because I have makeup on there that I want to kind of be more of the centerpiece. I just wanted to bring accent pieces that just reflect who I am, and if you came here, you would know, yes, that's Jaime's space. You can tell that she did that, and it's really who I am. So I was able to utilize existing decor and then just bought couple little things to bring in that I really love. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing how I went about decorating this space. I love it. It's just so girly, and I just am enjoying this space, being able to sit down and do my makeup in something I've wanted my whole entire life. And I will talk about that in the 3rd video, which will be my makeup and makeup storage. Of course, I am not a beauty guru. I don't have the hugest makeup collection in the world, but I do have some, and I would like to share how I went about organizing this space. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed video number 2 in this series of my DIY vanity, and I hope that you will join me for the 3rd and final video in this series, as I think it's a fun one, and it will be coming up for you next. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.